Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today it's a little icy here in Texas, but the mail lady dropped off several packages yesterday and I'm going to start filming now, and I have quite the choices. So for today, I think I'm going to choose Alltrue. Yep, I got my Alltrue box. It's the winter. And this is a controversial subscription. So it's Alltrue, and we're going to find out what I chose for my selections. Alltrue is a quarterly subscription. It used to be called the Cause Box. It's had several problems, the business owners and what they have done in the past, and then now there's new owners trying to get it back on track. And I'm not quite sure how well they're doing with that. They're silent. And what I mean by that is I made my choices for this winter box maybe 2 months ago, maybe 3. You don't really hear much from them until, boom, your package just shows up. I don't know if that's good or bad, but you do get to customize, and I do like that part. And as far as pricing and everything, it's $59.95 a quarter. And it's $54.95 a quarter if you do an annual. Now, on an annual, you are billed up front, and it's $219.80, and it's billed annually. There are differences, like you do receive the same up to $250 or more value in the box. You do get the 6 to 8 full-size items, especially made products in each season. You get exclusives, up to 70% off in their market that they have, and you get exclusive access to discounted daily household items in the new Essential Shop. But as an annual member, you also get to save $20 a year on your membership. You get to customize every product in your box, and you have access to choice, like add an extra product from each customization category. And it renews each year. So those are the things that are a little bit different. I have done the annual because I got a really good deal to give them a try. And I've had, there's some people that were upset that I did that, but it was a very good price. And even though they are still under bankruptcy courts through the old owners, there are things processing, and that is not something that happens overnight. And I'm sure that whatever is going on with that company and with the court system, that there are things behind the scenes that we don't know about, and payments may or may not can be made until there's a settlement made by the judge in the situations of those courts. I do not know the legalities behind all of that, other than I just know that nothing is ever instant or presto. But I am going to show you this box today. Again, this is the winter box. This is what it looks like inside. And we have our magazine that is going to be falling out on me there. I do like their new little setup. They put this on top, and I guess your magazine is kind of supposed to be framed in that. And that's kind of a nice little touch. And this is our magazine. This season, we're bringing you Sweater Dreams, a passport to India, more than one cure for a cold, Swedish sustainability, secrets, cocoa, 2 ways, biodegradable, beauty from the foothills of Asia, a phone-free bedroom, homewares with heart stretch goals, and something to celebrate. And that is what they're talking about. And I guess this is Alltrue Winter 2023, and it is All is Bright is what they're calling it. And I do not remember what I customized, okay, because it has been so long. But like I said, we're going to go through here, and I will show you the customizations. Okay, in customization number 1, we could have got this black purse at a value of $110. I did not get the crescent clutch, I know, because I have one. I have a white one and a black one that I got through Courier. We could have got these bowls for $36. We could have chosen chopping blocks. We could have picked a plush throw. And the other item that we could have chosen in category number 1 is the small Dutch oven. And that was valued at $99. And I am thinking that that's what I chose. And I see it in here. It's a 2-quart casserole, and that is what I got, is the Phantom Chef. And let's take a look at this and see how it looks. Now with the Alltrue subscription, you are going to get a variety of home and or lifestyle, and you're going to get choices of makeup and jewelry and things like that. So there's a variety of items, and as you can see, the price differences were quite a bit. They got it packaged up really good, I'll say that. And it says on here it's a PTFE and a PFO free, works on all cooktops, non-stick ceramic coating, dishwasher safe, and up to 320 in the oven. And it's a 2.3 quart casserole bowl, and it's die-cast aluminum cookware. And I'll have to say, that sounds all really nice. It's nice and heavy. Oh yeah, this is a good quality. It's called the Phantom Chef, and it's a casserole dish, and the lid itself is very heavy. And then look at this on the inside. Isn't that nice? And you can go up to, it said 325 degrees, 320. So you could make a nice little casserole, a little chicken casserole or something in there. But guys, this is very nice. Look at that. And it's good size, and this is your bottom. And it can go on any type of cook stove top, which I'm glad. And this lid is nice and heavy duty. So that is a win. I really like that choice that I made. Let's see if it says anything specific about it. It says, with soup season on the horizon, we wouldn't dream of leaving you unprepared. Enter the Phantom Chef Dutch oven. Arguably the perfect size, lightweight, two-tone, matte, navy, and cream. Little pot may become your new go-to. They say they'll make a case for fondue for when you have friends to do chocolate and cheese in it, which, ooh, that sounds good. But anyways, that's nice. That's a nice size, and I like that. So that's a win. Yay, like that choice. Now, in customization number 2, we had several choices. As you can see, we could have picked the bowls. We could have picked foldable yoga mat. We could have picked the 2023 planner. And we had 2 other choices. We could have picked the satin robe Third Love for $68 or the Affirm Cosmetics. And let's see what I picked. Yeah, I kind of figured I picked the Cosmetics. Guys, this is a good brand, and it's a $92 value, and I've used several of the Cosmetics products, and I haven't been disappointed in them. And this here is a hydrating Affirm. It's an antioxidant priming serum. So you could put this ahead of your moisturizer, it looks like. Let's look at the packaging here. It's got nice packaging. And I'm going to squeeze a little out because I am going to keep that. And it is serum. You can see that. So this could be kind of like a hyaluronic acid type serum. Let's read about it and find out. It feels very good. It doesn't really have a scent, which is good. If it does, it's very light. And again, it's a $92 value. And this is finally a hydrating antioxidant-rich serum for morning and evening. That's the best-selling firming serum, referred to as Cosmetics, as a multivitamin in a bottle. Plumps up, hydrates, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and fighting free radicals with active, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients like Fintrap, restorative, vitamin E, biopeptides, and clinically correct L-superoxide dismutase. Get ready for compliments. All right, I'm all ready for that. I just know it's a good product. I've used several, like I said, and when I seen the brand name, I just went ahead and got it because I knew I'd like it. Now this here is our 3rd choices, and it is the measuring spoon, and that's the Coastal measuring spoon, and that's a repeat. I have those. And there's a set of 5 dish cloths from the Swedish dish cloths. And we could have chosen the table runner for $42, the milk frother. We could have gotten the Celestial tray and or the Cocoa Noir facial serum by Dr. Botanicals. Let's see what I picked because I don't remember. Okay, I picked the Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Facial Serum. So I've got 2 serums in here. But hey, you know, if you know something's a good brand, you might as well get it. And this here is another good brand, the Dr. Botanicals. And it's a liquid serum, as you can see. And let's read about this. It's a $59 value. It is the 3rd category, and it's looking to turn back time. While we couldn't fit a time machine in the winter box, we could induce the Cocoa Noir Time Release Facial Serum. This delicious vegan formula blends botanical with geranium flower oil, sea bucket horn fruit oil, and neroli oil to even, firm, hydrate, plump, leaving the skin nourished and youthful. Dr. Botanicals use only 100% natural and cruelty-free ingredients to create result-driven skincare products that work for everyone. But okay, so yeah, I like that. Let me see. Oh, it's sealed. I am going to leave this sealed because I did get another serum, and you just never know. I may have this in a giveaway at some point. But I do know that it will be a good product, and that Dr. Botanicals is a good brand and a respected brand. Okay, on our next choices, we could have had the choices of the serving spoons, the clawwood serving spoons, the mystery surprise, and I think those are the 3, because then we go into our 5th choices. And I think I picked the serving spoons for a value of $35. And look at these, guys. These are nice. They're really nice and thick. Wow. So like for serving a salad, you know, you put that in there. That's very nice. Very nice. Very nice and smooth. I like that. Okay, our last item that we could choose, the Winkable Lift and Lengthen Vegan Mascara. That's number 6. I don't know if it's the last thing we could choose. We could have chose these earrings, which is a Pearl Hug earring. We could have chosen Stress Check Sleep Spray or the mystery product. And what did I pick? I picked the earrings. Aren't those cute? I like that. Let's see what it has to say about them. Did you know that pearls represent wisdom, integrity, and powerful feminine energy? Crystals are long believed to be a natural energy holder, emitting energy for absorbing from another element. By charging stones with your own energy, you can personalize your stone while amplifying the natural properties like oil, gemstone, adorned jewelry. These Pearl Huggy earrings are one of a kind and charged by you. Plus, they're 100% nickel free, and it's a $50 value. And they're very pretty, and it says they're charged. So I guess they already have them pre-charged with the elements in there to get going, to give me that energy level that I need, and that I'll have my own energy through them. But aren't those pretty? Yeah, and I'm assuming they're real pearls, but I don't know for sure. It really doesn't say on there unless it says on here. It just says they're charged with this energy. So I'm just going to assume that it is some type of pearl, but I don't know if it's a cultured pearl. Alright guys, the next choices were a duo that they've had before, which is the Power Couple Nail Care Duo for $36. We could have chosen the Rejuvenating Body Polish for $34, the French Pink Clay Cognac Sponge. We could have gotten the Carrot Ginger Blemish Rescue Patches, or a mystery again. So they gave us that mystery several times, and what I picked in here was the Cocoa Rejuvenating Body Polish is what I got, and it is sealed, and I'm going to leave it that way. It's kind of like in a natural state of cocoa, as you can see. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can see it kind of broke up in there, I think. So these are crystals, and it's a body polish. So let's see what it has to say. It says it's a rejuvenating body polish that's made with just 4 ingredients. It's got Nicaraguan coffee, organic sugar, peppermint oil, and cold-pressed mango oil, all of which will give back both your skin and to the communities that produce them We love that the True Moringo team is on a mission to set a new standard for ethical sourcing in the beauty and the wellness industry while helping farmers move from poverty to prosperity, and that's very good. We always like to help out other countries and our own countries of small businesses. So that sounds very good. I'm probably going to like that. So that was my Alltrue box. What do you think? I think I've made some good choices. Now, what's my favorite thing? Oh my goodness. That's going to be a tough one. But as a recap, we got these nice wooden salad spoons for serving. We got the Dr. Botanicals Time Reverse Facial Serum. We also got the Cosmetics Affirm Serum. We got our Cocoa Rejuvenating Body Polish that only has 4 natural ingredients. We got these beautiful earrings. And we got this wonderful 2-quart pot that is very nice. So what's my favorite? Oh, this is hard. I'm going to say the 2-quart pot because I like that very much. As far as cosmetics, I'm going to go with the Cosmetics Firm Serum because I was wanting that. And I have to say these earrings are just very, very pretty. So those are some of my favorites. You let me know what your favorites are. Be sure and check my description for any giveaways. Some of them are ending, and I'm not sure what's going to be open by the time this post, but I can tell you that I do have a couple of collaborations out there that has some giveaways that you can check into, and I also have some surprise giveaways. Be sure and always check my descriptions because I do leave what is current in my description for you to check out and see. I will also have any information that I have on Alltrue. If they have any kind of discounts or anything for a new subscriber, I'll have that down in my description along with their link to get to them if you're interested in subscribing. I will say at this point, I've had 2 boxes now and both have been very nice, and I have not had any problems with my subscription. But again, it's at your own risk because they are a new company and you do need to keep that in mind. And, you know, not everyone is positive about this subscription. But I decided to renew and give them an opportunity. And so far, I am okay with my choices and with my products. But as for Alltrue, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.